In order to access the APA title page and reference page template, you can access it through the Unit 1 page, or you could scroll down and go to the APA 7th edition page. For this exercise, I'm just going to go to the APA 7th edition page and click there. It'll be a lot easier. And the template page is here, okay? It says title page template 7th edition. I open that up and it automatically downloads. Okay, so I open up my downloads. It does take a minute to load. This is the template, and this is how I set it up to do my work. So I must set it up with my first name and my last name. So for this sake, I'm going to put my first name and my last name, so Marilinda Dema. Department name, you must set it up with English department. So we have English at Post University. Course number and course name. So for this, you will set it up with English 130, Literature, and Composition. Let me just make this a little bit bigger so it'd be easier to read. Okay. It always says that my name is wrong, but I promise you that's my real name. So for instructor's name, after you put your name up here, instructor's name is down here. So I would put Professor, Marilinda Dema. Due date for this assignment. So you should save this template, and for every new writing response, you could make a copy of it. But let's just say that this is the assignment for Unit 1. The due date is on the 17th. So I would put here Sunday, January 17th, 2021. And the title of your essay. So the title could be very subjective. It could be, you could create your own title, have fun with it. Or you can use the title of the assignment. So for this one, for this particular one, for the Unit 1, since it is a creative writing piece, you could create any type of title that you want. So have fun with it. If I wanted to write about the time I discovered I had superpower, I could write something like, my title could be The Time I Learned, to Fly. So that would be my title. So for every unit you create this, you just update this with whatever title you want your essay or your writing to be. So that is the title page template, and the numbers are for each page already on top. And remember, for every piece of writing that you do, the first page, the title page, is not included in the number of pages you must do for your writing assignments. And if I scroll down, the main title of your essay, subtitle of your essay. So right here on the first page, you must put the name of your title of the essay again on top. So mine here was The Time I Learned to Fly. So right here, I'm going to write again, the time I learned to fly. And then you must begin writing your work here. So the template's already made for you. If I scroll down a little bit more, the very last page is the reference page. What's really awesome about this is the reference page comes with a template. It tells you exactly how to use your, what to include for each section of the reference list. So you must put the author's last name, and then their first initial, the year of publication, title of the article. It gives you the exact formatting of it. So that's excellent. Okay? And then when you are done with this, after creating your title page template, saving it, I would save it, and I would make a copy of it for every time that you have to write a literature response, so that you could create another document with it and just begin writing and saving from there. Okay? So I would go to File, Save As, and it's already APA template 7th edition, or I could title it, just to make it easier for me, because I know you do have more than one class. You could put APA title page English 130, And I want to save it. You can save it wherever you want. I want to save it on my desktop so that I can have it there. And I save it as the Word document. Save. And I can X out of it. Minimize this. And if you look here, I do have it here. I can access it. And if I want to make a copy so that I could keep this one like as a template and then I can make a copy for my first essay, all I have to do is right click on it, if it lets me, copy. I know I'm doing this on a MacBook Pro, but you could do this on a regular desktop or regular Microsoft computer as well. Okay, is it making a copy? Did I make a mistake here? Oh, I did make a mistake. I'm sorry. I was supposed to press duplicate. So there we go. I have a copy. So for this one could be my Unit 1 essay. I can rename that to Unit 1 Response. And then I could open that up anytime I want and just begin writing from there. And when I go and I do my Unit 2 response the following week, I could just take my original template and I could do that again, duplicate. And I can open this one up after I rename it, Unit 2 Response. I could just click on that one, and I'll open up to my Unit 2 Response. And I could just keep doing that until the end of the class. Alright, I hope that was helpful. Enjoy the rest of your day.